to know where we're going.
Guys, this is so beautiful.
Don't tell me what I gotta do. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose. That's why I fuck with you. Now I'm not really one for attention. Shine a light through a prism full spectrum. Pull the curtains back, you're my dimension. Lay back and just forget the pressure. People never make it out. I'm a 5-star brain in a 2-star town, and I'ma give it back when I have enough money in my hands, enough for the friends and the fam, and I owe it all to Yahweh. Lord knows that I couldn't do it my way. Almost bought a ticket for the fast lane. Now I'm hopping on a flight to the Everglades to forget the pressure. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, but it's alright. Storm, lightning in my mind, it's alright.
Hey guys, we just came home. On 7th October 2023 in Vienna, you can buy one ticket for 15 euro, and from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. you can visit any museum you want. We went in the museum next to the tickets, Natural Historical Museum, and now we came home. I'm so exhausted. We were there for 2 hours. I need to rethink my whole life because this is just so... How did they manage to do this? How did they build this? How? I literally had so many questions. I couldn't believe that Tyrannosaurus Rex skull is that big. How is it even possible? How is it so like... How? Why is this so damn beautiful? Like, I never expected it to be that beautiful. Can you like stop being beautiful because my eyes are hurting? I guess see you tomorrow. Hello guys, so we came in Ikea. We need to buy some stuff. Let's go. I'll try, guys. €1.75. You can go there and you can get how much drink you want. Just drink how much you can. There is like lemonade and etc. etc. Guys, in this cafe, in this restaurant, in this Swedish restaurant, the food was better than in most of the restaurants I've been to. Okay, like especially the coffee, especially like the cakes. Mwah. Guys, you know, I was like walking, and then I see that, and I was like, is this Mega Dyson? And then I see that. It's literally Mega Dyson.
Days keep flying, but that's on me. I'm so sick of wasting time. Can't you see I'm on the line? I'll keep trying to find my ways, and when I do, I ain't never coming down. I ain't never coming down.
Cause everything's gonna be alright. My legs are literally dying. We walked, I think, okay, on my watch it's literally 6,000 steps, but it feels so much more. It feels like I ran for an hour. Even after that, I don't feel like that. I was standing so much in this Ikea. This is so damn enormous. How do people even survive there? We almost got lost. The radio here is so juicy, guys. We were driving and I put this radio on, like O3, literally Shazam every single song.